Tired of international contractor payments feeling like a complicated puzzle? Let's solve that today. We're going to break down how to pay your international contractors easily and efficiently using your business credit card through your payroll system. All powered by the magic of Payoneer, this method can help you spend less time processing payments and more time on your core business goals. First, log into your preferred payroll platform, whether it's Gusto, Deal, or another service. Navigate to the Contractors section. Each platform differs, so ensure you're in the right area to add or manage your contractors. Next, add your international contractors' information. Crucially, under payment method, instead of their direct bank details, you're going to select the option to pay via a third-party service. This is where Payoneer comes in. Your contractor will provide you with their Payoneer account details. They can easily access these details through their Payoneer account dashboard. Now, link your business credit card as your payment method within Payoneer. This allows you to fund your Payoneer balance directly from your credit card. Back in your payroll system, you'll initiate the payment to your contractor. The funds will be routed through your business credit card into your Payoneer account, then dispersed to your contractor's Payoneer account. This whole process offers amazing benefits. You gain streamlined global contractor payments, organized expense tracking within both your payroll and Payoneer systems, and easy management of currency conversions, which Payoneer handles automatically. And that's it. A simplified system for paying your international contractors. Explore the power of Payoneer paired with a business credit card to revolutionize your international payroll processes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.